of the steps I followed when designing a brand. This time, the client reached out to me on my social media and I gave him a Google form to fill. He filled the Google form, and that is exactly where the onboarding process starts. This is the time when you get to know your clients, what they want, and what exactly they are looking for. Brand strategy consultation. This is where I design a mood board based on everything I've learned on his business. The overall aesthetic. Do you like it? Well, if they do, then we move on to the next step, paperwork. That is where I show them my rate card based on everything they've chosen and send them an invoice with a 50% deposit we get off the work. Brand design. This is where you design the brand identity, which includes the primary logo, secondary logo, alternate logo, brand mark, typography, brand colors, and all other brand elements. Then you export the logos for the client final use. So enough waiting. This is the result. Tell me what you think. Comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.